Good morning, everyone. I just decided to film a day in a life video. Today is trash day, so I've got my trash bag so I can gather all the trash before I go downstairs, because believe you me, it is a job going up and down these stairs in this house. I've got my clothes laid out for the day. I currently have hair color in my hair because I'm coloring my gray this morning while I'm kind of whizzing about cleaning up here and disinfecting some things. I have these hang up clothes I have to deal with, but I'm going to do that later. I don't want to touch these clothes while I have hair color in. God forbid I would get hair color on the clothes. That would not be good. I found a new store yesterday called the Drug Emporium. I think I'm saying that right. Anyways, they sell a lot of essential oils. I got this big thing of eucalyptus, and I'm currently burning it in my diffuser. Absolutely love it. It smells amazing. A little pricey, guys. Essential oils can be very expensive, but know that even though these bottles aren't very big, they last a really long time. This one was like $10.55 or something like that, so it's not cheap. I'm fixing to go rinse my hair as soon as my timer goes off. And then I'm going to finish. I'm going to vacuum upstairs, vacuum down the stairs. And then I'm going to cook us some lunch. And then I'm going to clean downstairs. But then I got to take the trash to the street. And I have to hang all this up. And I have a load of laundry to do today. So, very full day. And I thought I would also share with you guys a little bit of other things as well. Yesterday I went to Hobby Lobby, had a very nice look around, and I'll talk about it more here in a little bit. So my goodness, where do I start on my day today and things that have accomplished? I don't even know where to start with this vlog with you guys, and my mind is all over the place. So I got done with my shower. Obviously let my hair dry natural. If you guys want to know how curly it is, there you go. A lot of you guys ask all the time, like, what's your hair look like when it's natural? Anyways, that's what it looks like, a big frizzy mess. I'm no makeup today. I'm just home, and I'm just going to be casual today. I went shopping all day yesterday, as I was saying previously, and it was so nice to go to Hobby Lobby and have a look around at everything. Like, I have not had a real, like, intense look-see of things, and I did buy a couple fall decor items, and some of it I'm going to keep out all year round because I think it is so pretty and will look nice with my decor that I'm kind of accumulating. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to insert here of everything that I seen at Hobby Lobby, and kind of, me walking through for those of you that enjoy that kind of thing. If you don't want to see it, then don't, just fast forward it. But went to Hobby Lobby, had a fabulous time, just enjoyed. I even got a Starbucks yesterday. I have not got a Starbucks in like forever. And I got a iced caramel macchiato, and I got down to the bottom of it, and whew, I was zooming. I was just zooming. I guess that's because I'm a coffee drinker, but apparently it must have been really strong, and I must have like souped myself up for a big shopping day yesterday. And I'll show you guys in this video what I purchased. Not a whole lot, just a few little odd and end things. I was going to do this full-blown fall decorate with me video, shop with me, decorate with me. And to be honest with you, it's just not going to be enough to really put in a substanced video for you guys. So I'm just including this into a day in a life with you guys. When I got into Hobby Lobby, I love to look, but I get overwhelmed. Like, I don't know, like, where I would put things, how I would place things, how I would put it together. I kind of like skim Pinterest and other people's videos, and I kind of repeat what they do, or try to anyways. So I did get a few fall pieces that I'm, fallish like pieces that I'm going to put together on this hutch behind me right here, where you see the candle holders right there. I brought those down, brought them from upstairs down here. Gonna kind of put it together so that we have a new fall backdrop for my husband's live gospel broadcast that he does on Monday nights. So I thought that would be really nice to kind of do sort of a fallish themed background, since we are coming into fall, and I think it's cheery. I went with more of a modern thought of fall, which is more like the creams and sort of the neutral colors, burlap kind of shades, because of the fact that this hutch is so dark, and I thought that would really work and really pop over there, because it a lighter color on a darker, piece of furniture. I just thought it would be really pretty. Hey guys, I'm just relaxing here on the couch for a minute. We ate and got a little too full, and then I got lazy. But I put some stuff out on the hutch for my fall decor, and I'm looking at it and I'm realizing a couple things that I think that if I bought, probably could get it from Walmart, and it wouldn't be very expensive. I think it would totally make this, and it would be perfect. But I am very, very happy with how it looks. I still have to get on a ladder or whatever and finagle the garland that I bought for the top. But I like that I went with the lighter color decor, because it really does show up on this dark piece of furniture. Okay, here is my hutch. This is where my husband does his gospel broadcast in front of here. And so I thought it'd be really pretty to do like a fall theme. And so you have to forgive the lighting in here, because it is so dark outside. But I had this basket, and I seen this idea on, I think it was YouTube, another YouTuber. I think it's Home of Hope or House of Hope. I can't remember. But anyways, kind of got this idea after she was decorating. And so I had this basket, and I bought 2 sprigs. So it was this one, which is the bigger one, and then this one with the pumpkin. And I'm going to put like something over here, like a big white pumpkin sitting in there. I think that'd be really pretty. Then I had this, and I like the color of it. And there's some candles in behind it that's holding it up. And I had this big glass pumpkin, which my neighbor gave me. I think I shared it in another video. I've got a lot of these candle holders, but actually have like this very rustic looking wreath. And I actually was thinking about putting a command hook on the inside of this and hanging it right there. And I think that would be pretty. I don't know. I'm just playing around with ideas right now. I've got some books up here and a flower thing. I've got these 3 little vases in here and probably will get something fallish to put in there. But I've got this here. I haven't spread it out or anything for the top. So you guys can let me know what you guys think. And then I bought some black and white checkered ribbon, which I might make some bows for some things. But I was thinking what would really make this look, and I'm going to step back and show you guys, pardon the stuff. So I was thinking about getting some bigger pumpkins for the top here and maybe some little ones here and something to fill in this space. You guys can let me know what you guys think. I see Ronnie walking through.
I think that's wonderful, baby.
You can't see.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, well.
That looks good. All the wonderful fall decor.
Wait, think how nice you're going to look sitting in front of it for your gospel broadcast.
Oh, I know.
We'll get you a pumpkin outfit to wear.
Yes. And we're going to have pumpkin seeds.
Yes, pumpkin seeds. He's already asking for pumpkin seeds. I bought pumpkin chai tea the other day at Target.
Give me a kiss.
Okay.
I love you, babies.
Love you too.
I'm going to run upstairs.